Lado, what is Vistory?
Vistory is a GameFi ecosystem built to meet the demands, challenges, and opportunities of a new era. Today, the global economic model is undergoing a major transformation. Some of these changes are expected, while others come as a surprise. But the transition itself is happening everywhere, regardless of geography or industry. People can feel it in the way markets behave, in how technology evolves, and in how new opportunities emerge. And that naturally drives them to explore new types of projects. There are already many projects in this space. Across crypto, gaming, metaverses, token, and tokenomics. However, one of the key challenges is that many of those tools are still complex, fragmented, and often difficult for users to truly understand or trust. Our goal is to become a trusted foundation, a place where users feel confident navigating this space. We want every project within the ecosystem to meet clear standards, stability, sustainability, and long-term value. For us, reputation is not just an abstract concept. It is the core of everything we build, and that reputation is shaped by consistency, by stability, and by the ability to deliver on what we promise.
How does Vistory work?
As I mentioned, Vistory is a full ecosystem. It includes a marketplace for digital products, including NFTs that provide access to the metaverse. At the center of this ecosystem is our native token. All purchases within the platform are made using this token, which is built on a carefully designed tokenomics model. At the same time, we are not limiting its use only to the metaverse. The token can also be integrated into certain external applications. At the same time, we understand a very practical challenge. Not every user will be ready to acquire our token right away. This can create friction at the entry point, and in some cases, even lead to users leaving before they fully experience the platform. That's why we designed the system to be as flexible and seamless as possible. Users can pay with any cryptocurrency. If a different token is used, the system automatically performs an instant swap in the background. A small fee is charged for this operation, and that fee is used to purchase our token and immediately burn it. As a result, every transaction contributes to the ecosystem. Whether users interact directly with our token or not, they still support its value by reducing its supply. This creates a balanced and sustainable mechanism for long-term growth.
Lado, could you tell us more about the passport system?
Previously, our users depended strongly on a certain crypto wallet that was not always convenient and might have felt as limiting. Besides, it's not optimal in terms of safety. The passport system created for Vistory is designed to address two key challenges: security and trust. On one hand, it helps protect user data and prevents the creation of fake or duplicate accounts. This is essential for maintaining a healthy and reliable environment. On the other hand, it introduced something equally important: a reputation layer within the ecosystem. Users are not just anonymous participants. They can build a digital identity and reputation through their actions on the platform, by participating in programs, interacting with others, and achieving specific milestones. The system also allows users to grow across different programs and build teams within the ecosystem, creating a more dynamic and collaborative environment. Users will grow within the system and get different achievements, tokens, and certificates. As users progress, certain achievements will unlock additional features, access levels, and opportunities. This creates a clear path of development within the ecosystem, where engagement is directly connected to growth.
What products will be part of Vistory?
Most of our products are built within the metaverse itself. This includes both GameFi and traditional games, along with a wide range of social and professional interactions. We are not just building isolated tools, we are building an environment. At its core, this environment functions as a full-scale social system. It will support everything from casual communication and dating to professional networking and business creation. Over time, it will evolve into a complete ecosystem where users can build businesses, find jobs, collaborate, and grow. In many ways, it's designed to become a fully developed digital life within the metaverse. At the same time, we understand that a modern ecosystem cannot exist in isolation. That's why we are also developing an external layer that extends beyond the metaverse itself. This layer includes essential tools that support the entire system and make it more accessible and functional. Among the first products are our DEX, GuruFan, V-Boost, and other solutions.
Vlado, can you share the near-term roadmap for 2026?
Among the upcoming launches, we are preparing to release V-Boost, a product the community has been waiting for, as well as GuruFan. GuruFan is a mempad, but with a fundamentally different philosophy behind it. Today, creating tokens has become extremely easy. Why that lowers the barrier to entry? It has also led to a wave of low-quality, valueless projects, often referred to as shitcoins. As a result, the market is facing a credibility problem. We see this not just as a trend, but as a structural issue within the crypto space. Our goal with GuruFan is to set a new standard. We want to create an environment where launching a token is not just easy, but meaningful. If a token is created on this platform, it must have real value behind it, whether that value comes from utility, community, or a clear long-term vision. This principle, building products with real value, will define not only on GuruFan, but the entire Vistory ecosystem.
And finally, can you tell us more about the overall roadmap?
Over the next year, our focus will be on both launching and continuously refining our core products. These will not be one-time releases. Each product will evolve through ongoing updates, improvements, and new iterations. We see development as a continuous process, not a single milestone. At the same time, the ecosystem itself will begin to take shape as all of these components start working together in a unified structure. Among the first products are our V-Boost, DEX, and GuruFan. And of course, let's not forget about multiple events connected to our token, including listings. Overall, our roadmap is not just about adding new products. It's about building a cohesive system where each element strengthens the others.